regard, I wrote down one other thing. There's a difference between coaching and mentoring. A lot of you may think you have a mentor, okay? We use coaching and mentoring like they're the same thing. They are absolutely not. Mentoring is, I tell you a story, you give me advice back based on my story. Problem is, your advice is only as good as my story. And my story paints me as like a savior. You know, I did this and I did this and then I got screwed over this way, or I had this bad happen to me, and you say, oh my God, those people you work with, they sound terrible. Oh my God, they're probably very jealous of you because you went to Harvard Business School. Well, I said, no, they went to Harvard Business School too. Well, okay, then they're just jealous of you. Maybe they think, well, no. So mentors often give advice that get people blown up. Okay, but a lot of people, if you've given enough, as many year-end reviews as I have, I've had people say back to me, my mentor tells me I'm doing a great job and there's something wrong with the review system. Okay, that's mentoring. It's got its limits. It can be useful for certain tactical advice, but it's not the same as coaching. Coaching is different. It requires direct observation. Any of you play tennis or a sport? Golf? How often you call a coach up, a tennis coach, and say, let me describe my swing to you over the telephone. I put a leg out and then and they say, oh, that sounds pretty good. Then they see you swing and it's terrible. Okay, that's the difference between mentoring and coaching. In order to write down your weaknesses, you need coaching, meaning someone who actually sees you in action, because you may not even realize your weakness well enough to even describe what you're doing. Okay?